Elon Musk, in his recent interview, claimed that AI will eventually displace every profession, leading to a big chaos in the global finance system. But a Gartner report suggests that AI will take 1 million jobs, but in return, give birth to a couple of million new jobs. But you want to be on the safe side, right? So here are 10 professions that you need to participate in to avoid an AI-induced bankruptcy, despite the increased application of face recognition technology to mimic counseling, care and assistance, and mental health. Achieving perfection is still a far cry. When it comes to helping people succeed in sensitive areas of their lives, the human touch is important. What does that mean? Well, this means that the jobs of counselors and therapists are unlikely to be replaced by smart AI algorithms and prosthetic faces in the foreseeable future because of the prerequisite of having had human experience. Not only is this profession safe, but it is also scarce. Approximately 122 million Americans, constituting roughly 37% of the US population, reside in regions facing a shortage of mental health professionals. The US Department of Health and Human Services projects that the existing workforce of around 45,580 psychiatrists needs to expand by 2,800 to adequately address current demands for psychiatric care, indicating a 6.4% shortfall. Projections suggest that by 2025, this shortage might escalate to 6,090 psychiatrists, equivalent to a 12% deficit. Skilled craftsmen and artisans form up a very small but unbreakable market that spans worldwide. Why is AI not a threat to such segments? This is because for AI for professionals to replicate an existing application, they need to evaluate the market size to foresee what benefits they will reap for their efforts. In cottage industries and niche markets, scaling up becomes a huge challenge, which is why many experts are interested in tapping into such areas. The skill level being showcased over here is also impeccable. So not only mimicking those with AI is financially unfeasible, but also it involves tedious research and development. Positions of leadership and management require special skills and traits that are difficult for artificial intelligence to replicate. Understanding human nature and working through complexities of interpersonal connections are all a part of the human element. Artificial intelligence lacks the natural creativity and originality inherent in human leaders, which is essential for effective leadership. An integral part of leadership is making ethical decisions, which necessitates the use of subjective judgment and the weighing of competing values and points of view, areas in which AI currently falls short of humans. Being able to learn from experiences and alter plans is a quality of people, which is essential for leadership in unpredictable and dynamic circumstances. AI has yet to achieve the level of empathy and drive that is necessary for effective leadership. AI that relies on data and patterns faces difficulty with contextual understanding or the ability to make decisions based on a nuanced grasp of unique situations. Human skills in trust building, communication, and personal connection are essential to the development and maintenance of relationships, which are fundamental to leadership. In addition, AI lacks the foresight and intuition necessary to build long-term strategic vision. Be it wrestling, soccer, cricket, or NBA, the pleasure of watching the extraordinary performers improve on their own accomplishments over and over again, pushing the line farther of what a human being is physically capable of doing, is what makes the whole event worth watching. Having robots compete against each other and watching them play basketball would destroy the purpose and the fun of watching sports. Robot fights and obstacle drone flying tournaments have recently become somewhat of a show in several nations, but the intrinsic appeal that is produced when you witness an athlete improve on a world record achievement and cry tears of happiness and pride when they do it, it's something extremely human at its core and very tough to beat for a machine humanoid robot. In the riveting world of lawyers and judges, the essence lies in a dynamic blend of negotiation, strategic finesse, and astute case analysis. These roles are based on unique personal experiences and knowledge that each legal expert brings to the table. Mastering the intricacies of complex legal systems and presenting compelling arguments in defense of clients demands a distinct set of skills. Beyond the cold legal statutes, there's a distinctly human touch required to navigate the aspects of a court trial. For a judge, the weight of making decisions that could result in years of imprisonment adds an extra layer of gravity to the role. Even the most advanced androids would struggle to step into the shoes of these professions, whether in the present or the future. And let's be honest, would you ever truly feel at ease with a robot as your courtroom representative? One major difference between human capabilities and AI lies in our ability to generate creative solutions for unexpected situations, a skill essential for politicians to master. The recent impact of leaders' decisions during the pandemic pandemic underscores the importance of this skill with varying degrees of success. The question arises whether a robot could effectively represent the diverse needs of a large human population. Most likely not. But why? Because AI lacks emotional intelligence and the understanding of human emotions. Politics often involves addressing and connecting with the emotions and concerns of diverse populations, something that AI currently cannot authentically replicate. This makes politicians likely to remain a crucial element in shaping our collective future, for better or worse. Do you know that the demand for AI and ML specialists is expected to grow by 40% from 2023 to 2027? Also, can you believe that as of 2023, there are approximately 2 million unfulfilled positions? This growth is driven by the widespread application of AI and ML in technologies such as natural language processing, computer vision, speech recognition, fraud detection, and recommendation systems. As of 2023, the average salary for a machine learning engineer is $133,336 per year. However, this figure may vary depending on factors such as location, industry, and experience. The job outlook for machine learning engineers is extremely promising, with AI positions being listed among the top in-demand careers. Not only does the AI market need more AI and ML engineers, but also it needs people who can create and improve hardware they work upon. The demand for hardware and GPU engineers is growing every day due to several factors. These include the rise of GPU-intensive applications such as scientific computing, 3D graphics rendering, machine learning, blockchain, cryptocurrency mining, and video editing. The advancements in the high-performance processing capabilities of GPU solutions and the development of the design vertical are also estimated to influence the industry outlook. The global CPU and GPU markets are anticipated to grow at a considerable rate during the forecast period between 2023 and 2030, with a CAGR of 33.3% from 2022 to 2030. Hardware design engineer demand is projected to grow from 5% from 2018 to 2028, with over 69,000 active hardware design engineer jobs opening in the US. AI cannot displace the profession of advertising, promotions, and marketing managers due to the intricate and creative nature of their work. These professionals rely on a deep understanding of human behavior, market trends, and the ability to develop innovative and persuasive strategies. But one thing is for sure, AI-powered marketing managers are going to throw others out of the business. Overall, employment of advertising, promotions, and marketing managers is projected to grow 6% from 2022 to 2032, faster than the average for all occupations. The average salary for a marketing manager in the United States is $117,270 as of October 25, 2023, according to Salary.com. The best paid 25% made $192,520 in 2021, while the lowest paid 25% made $100,010, according to US News Best Jobs. In the past 25 years, creating digital copies of actors' faces and bodies has become common in high-budget media production. This is especially true for movies or shows with a lot of special effects, complex action scenes, or characters portrayed at different ages. In a photogrammetry booth, several cameras are set up to take thousands of detailed pictures of a person's face from different angles. This helps create a 3D digital model of the actor's face, capturing various expressions and speaking positions. For leading actors, a more thorough process is needed compared to supporting cast members and extras. A similar, more advanced system is used to scan and create digital models of human bodies, although a fully generative AI model that can create a complete, realistic, and moving scenario from scratch doesn't exist yet. There's a difference between updating a digital double and entirely replacing a person's performance with AI. Despite these advancements, robots haven't successfully replicated human facial expressions, and creating a fully realistic AI-generated performance is still a challenge. Therefore, you can expect movies to continue featuring real people for at least the next 50 years. Subscribe to Innovella for more blues from the world of AI. Do you guys know that the world's first AGI has already been made? To find out how and what it can achieve, click on the video link popping up, and I will catch you there in a second.